China has one of the highest numbers of stressed people, which is why this game was created by the Chinese government. It's called sandboarding, where you can experience the fun of surfing on desert sand, and a photographer will capture your exciting moments as you scream enjoy. This game is only available in the Xinjiang Kumtag Desert, but if your hair suddenly stands on end like a porcupine's spikes, it's time to head home quickly. I'll tell you the reason after you like and subscribe, otherwise you might have nightmares. The reason is that it's a sign of an approaching storm. Storm clouds can carry an electrical charge, which is how lightning forms. When lightning is about to strike, the electrical charge in the atmosphere can cause your hair to stand up. So leave quickly before things get more stressful.